Welcome back to the channel today, guys. I want to cover something very quick, but hopefully it'll help a few of you guys out. I know some guys, not all of you, especially new people, think the best thing you can do to improve your photography is get the best possible camera you can. And while having the best possible camera is never a disadvantage, you're never going to get past the point. You could take the greatest camera by itself and it would not be able to compete with an average camera when you add some of these things I'm going to show you to it. So get a decent camera. It don't have to be top line. Get a decent one. And then you want to add the first thing that's really going to make your pictures pop. And this is more for photographers than videographers. So, first thing, get a flash. This is just a flash that goes on top of your camera. You can use it on top of your camera. It's not the preferred way to do it, but it'll make some pictures pop. It'll put some flash on your subject, light them up really good. If you're outside in some bright light, you might need something a little stronger like this Evolve, which is a Godox AD200. That'll take care of even brighter light. And if you're in super bright light, then you can get one of these. This is a Godox AD600. This should take on the sun pretty good. In fact, we're going to find out Thursday because I'm going to be trying it. Once you add a flash and learn how to use that flash, off camera, top camera, bouncing camera, soft boxes, umbrellas, all the different ways you can use your flash, you will see a huge jump in the quality of your images. No matter what camera you have. You might have a Canon 70D that's old and APS-C, but you put that flash on top of it and get that looking good, people won't know what camera you've got. It's going to look spectacular. The images are going to pop. It's going to separate your image from the background. It's just going to look so much better. Cover up the dark circles in the eyes. You see people shooting outside in the daytime and they're not using a flash. And the pictures look great, but when you look closer, your eyes are inset. You're getting dark shadows in there. A flash, used correctly, not like I did in my video the other day. It did some, but we had the sun come out, but a flash will remove those dark circles and make those eyes pop. And the eyes are what makes the picture when you're shooting people. Get the eyes right and you're good to go. Get them in sharp focus, get them lit up. You've got a good image going. And from there, once you move on from flash, you can use reflectors. There's lots of other things you can use. Scrims that go over the top, block the sun. There's a lot more goes into it than just having the best camera on the market. So look into these different flashes. I like Godox. Newer makes good stuff. Your brand, Canon makes good flashes. I know I've had this Canon flash for 18 years, probably longer, and they just keep going and going. Get these additions to your camera, learn how to use them right, and you will see your picture quality go up a lot, and you'll be able to sell your images for a lot more because they'll have a lot of kick to them and they'll look much better. Anyway, that's all to today's video. Just a quick pointer. So, guys, if we're helping you out, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Have a great day. Thank you.